RWC introduces SharkBite, an innovative push-fit plumbing connection system which consists of an extensive range of fittings and valves ranging from 12 to 28 mm. SharkBite offers one single solution to connect copper and JG PEX Barrier pipe in any combination, with no requirements for expensive or heavy tools or having to obtain hot work permits for soldering joints. There are 3 simple steps for connecting SharkBite: cut, push, done. Cut. Ensure the pipe is not damaged or scored and remove any adhesive labels or residue. Cut the pipe squarely using a rotary tube cutter. Using a deburring tool, make sure to remove all the debris and sharp edges. If installing JG PEX Barrier, cut the pipe using pipe cutters and insert the SpeedFit TSM tube liner. Using the appropriate disconnection clip with integral depth marker, mark the socket depth on the pipe. Push. Keep the fittings in the bag until they are required for installation. Ensure that the fitting and pipe are free from dirt and debris. Locate the end of the pipe squarely into the mouth of the fitting and push the pipe into the fitting with a slight twisting action until the pipe reaches the tube stop. Done. Check that the depth insertion mark on the tube corresponds with the disconnecting ring on the SharkBite fitting. Pull the tube to ensure that the joint is secure. Disconnection. Snap the clip over the pipe with the SharkBite logo away from the fitting. Press the clip against the disconnecting ring and pull on the pipe at the same time. Alternatively, use the disconnecting tongs around the fitting and squeeze the tongs together whilst pulling the pipe using your thumb to assist against the tongs. The SharkBite range utilizes a robust, lead-free DZR brass body, which complies with European legislation, including Kiva and DVGW when used with copper 12 to 28 mm, and Kiva when used with JG Barrier PEX pipe and 12 to 15 mm. All SharkBite fittings and valves are demountable and immediately reusable, and provide electrical continuity in sizes 12 to 28 mm. For full installation instructions and further information, visit www.rwcsharkbite.eu.